we are aware that you recently opened this shop here in phase 2. We are giving you a notice. This is a verbal notice that we are giving you to close this shop.
This is our fucking country and you must go.
You are not a South African citizen. Have you invested 5 million? Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Hi guys, yabona manje akusadlalwa. There's no time to play. Each and every community manje, it's up in arms to defend their townships, to defend their villages. They are proving to be stubborn. Some of them are proving to be stubborn, but khona sekuyilast kick of a dying horse. Uyabona ukuthi kubi kubashubele khona shem.
James what? Brother James. Listen my brother, you're speaking to Paulo here. I'm from Mangaung Small Business Forum. We are aware that you recently opened this shop here in phase 2. We are giving you a notice. This is a verbal notice that we are giving you to close this shop. We are going to come back again in 3 days to give you a formal notice. You must close this shop. You don't have a permit to operate this shop. You do not have a permit to operate this shop. This guy, do you have documents? He got documents now with him. He doesn't even have his documents in the shop here. This shop is uncompliant. He must not operate the shop. We are giving you 3 days to close this shop. We are going to be back here again in 3 days. Close this shop if you still like your brother. Shut.
This is our fucking country and you must go. Take my photo. When are you going?
Yeah.
When are you going and when are you closing?
No, I did not going. I saved my life.
Come again?
I saved my life. I did not go anywhere.
You're not going anywhere?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're safe.
This is my second home.
This is your second home?
Yeah.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia.
You're from Ethiopia?
Yeah.
So what documents do you have? What to stay here?
Why?
What's your document?
Ask me, you did not government?
No, no, you don't know who I am.
Well, where is
I'm a citizen here.
Citizen?
Yes.
How are you asking?
I'm asking because I want to find out who you are. What are you here? What status are you here?
Asking.
Okay, we are callers. We are callers.
Huh?
Okay, we are
Like that. Come back
We
again.
will show you. We don't want you in our country.
I can't do like that.
My friend, which you are part of the
So guys, wherever you are, make sure you don't give them comfort, don't give them peace endaweni zenu. And there are rumors that those who are being chased away from Durban, Cape Town, Johannesburg, they are running down to the villages right now. You are not a South African citizen. Have you invested 5 million in our country? Have you? Have you invested 5 million in our country?
Nizokunda la msuno ezinja nizosupport abantu bokufika la. Yini yenza ukuthi support abantu bokufika la? Niba supportelani la abanyama bheka abantu abamnyama bazoxhasa amakorekwere bhekana abantu abamnyama abantu abangavoti abantu abangakhokha intela bazoba support. Basidayisa abantu abamnyama.
So if when you are folding your hands there, they are coming to your area, they are coming to overcrowd your area, they are coming to unalive your children there, they are coming to overcrowd your clinics, your hospitals, even your schools. When I will be happy to say we have a shop close to us right now, forgetting ukuthi labantu bezele ukuzobulala.
Hey brothers, hey Ethiopian brothers, Friday this shop must not be open. On Friday, this shop must be closed. You have today and tomorrow to do business. On Friday, this shop must not be open on Friday. We are not those people that you guys bribe at municipalities and giving you fake papers. This shop will never be opened on Friday. You either listen or you don't. You are not an investor here. You came here seeking for asylum. You were not permitted to do business here. You were not permitted to do business unless you can prove beyond, unless you can show us that you have invested 5 million in our economy. Unless you can prove that. On Friday, call your SAPS friends, call your friends at municipality. Tell them to Molawa says this shop will never be opened on Friday. What's wrong is what? Move. What's the problem?
And don't forget that as soon as they arrive in your area, all South African businesses will be shut down because they will take over everything. Don't allow them to come and destroy South African businesses there, please.
Cela ukubanikeza izinsuku ezu3 ngeke u7 une weekend sotako cela ukubanikeza u3 days
Close the shop, Close the shop,
Why are you giving us? You give us money for what?
Why you give us the money?
Let me see that money. Let me see.
Why you give us money?
Why are you giving us money? For what?
Don't bribe us,
shop.
man.
Close it.
Close the shop. Close the shop.
You don't want 150 or 100.
They don't want money. No.
Okay, but tell us the truth.
No, you go to the police station now.
Sekuyingoma kade likhona manje. Wemama ungaqambamanga kade likhona manje. So guys, about my friend is having a new strategy right now abayenzayo. If you come and close their shop, they go and bring their girlfriends to come and replace them. Whether it's a girlfriend, a wife, a landlord or a daughter of a landlord, they just go and bring that person to come and replace them. So my friend will be going there at night to bring the stock, to collect the money, do everything, because that shop still belongs to him. Remember, this shop is registered under this landlord, so it becomes so difficult for my patrons to find out ukuthi the shop is a belong to my friend or is it a South African. That is a very big problem right now. So I think a solution ukuthi kube nama patrols azohleze epatrola kulezo ndawo to make sure ukuthi my friend akafike ebusuku, to make sure ukuthi le stock asilethwa my friend, because kuyabonakala ukuthi kuzoba nzima ukuthi kwenzeke lo msebenzi if we are still having these South Africans who are selling out the country.
Abahambe.
Oh, time. Yeah, okay.
Abahambe lezinja.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Hamba kahle, my friend. Go well. Please go and sell to your country. Go and sell in your country. We'll run our own businesses. We've been doing this. Go back home, my guy.